And it's no surprise, but you will see that privacy professionals in this country would start, you know, looking at some revenue streams out there. Okay, let's talk about outsourcing. IBM came up with this whole concept of total outsourcing, caught on. A large number of outsourcing deals have been signed in this country. Most telecom organizations have already, pretty much outsourced everything. Now the SME segment is talking about outsourcing. So what has been outsourced? So what is currently outsourced is, a lot of you guys have said data center operations you have outsourced. Network operations you have outsourced. End user support, security audits also you have outsourced. But in 12 and 13, most organizations will explore outsourcing audits and software testing. This is an interesting area that you guys are saying that we would like to outsource some of these things. But rest, it's still, there is little visibility there. So if you look at the common thread which is running through all the priorities that we spoke about, if you look at all the trends that we spoke about, you will find that organizations are talking about agility, because they want to talk about decision making, they want to talk about mobility. People are talking about resilience, so you're talking about information security, you're talking about business continuity, right? And you're talking about being lean, so being effective, putting in the right technology investments. Cautious optimism, we are seeing budgets increase, they're definitely increasing, but clearly there is cautious optimism sitting out there. Energies are on lean, agile, and resilient. That's the theme. That's what our report cover says: lean, agile, and resilient IT. The focus on innovation and providing business with cutting edge and revenue enhancing capabilities exists. There's no doubt about it. So the report is all out there for you. You can take a look at that report. Should you have any questions, we are there. You could ask us questions and we could be of help to you.